In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animations in Wix. Adding animations to your Wix website is a fantastic way to enhance user experience, draw attention to important content, and give your site a lively and dynamic look. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of making your website more engaging. Firstly, you want to start by looking for the specific space on your Wix website where you'd like to add an animation. This could be a photo, piece of text, button, or any other element that you think could use a bit of animation to stand out more prominently. It's important to think about the purpose of the animation. Are you trying to draw attention to a call to action, or simply adding a touch of elegance to the page? Once you've decided, make sure you're in the Wix editor, which is where all the magic happens. Now that you've identified the element you'd like to animate, the next step involves right-clicking on it. This will bring up a contextual menu, a little window with various options that apply to the selected element. This menu is your toolset for customizing different aspects of the item you have chosen. Once you see the menu, you're going to look for the option labeled Animation and Effects. Clicking this option will take you to the next step, offering a wide array of animation options tailored specifically for your element. With Wix, you have the convenience of previewing how these animations look in real time, so you can see exactly what different animations will do to your chosen element. Next, you'll want to select the type of animation that fits your design goals. Wix provides a variety of animations, from simple fades and slides to more dynamic options like bounces and spins. Each animation has its own personality. For instance, a gentle fade in might be perfect for an elegant, minimalist design, whereas a bouncing animation could add whimsical charm to a children's website. Don't rush through this process. Play around with different animations and test how they make your page come alive. Once you've settled on an animation, it will automatically apply to the element. But remember, moderation is key. While it can be fun to add multiple animations, too many can overwhelm visitors and slow down the performance of your site. It's important to ensure that the animations complement the overall design rather than distract from it. And there you have it. You've learned how to add animations to your Wix site. Take some time to explore other elements on your page that might benefit from a tasteful animation, and keep experimenting until you're happy with the look and feel of your site. By using animations wisely, you'll be enhancing the user experience, making your website not only functional, but also delightful to explore. Enjoy the process, and happy animating!